One day, Deontay, Maria, Skyla, and Michaela woke up and got ready. They stayed up late that night working on a science project. They walked to school after they got ready and ate breakfast. They got to school thinking it was going to be a normal day like always. They went to first bell, second bell, and lunch. But once they got to fourth bell, something unusual happened. It got extremely hot. The school had the air conditioning on. Everybody started to look around, when out the window was something big passed. Then everybody felt the building shake. The building was brand new. The ceiling started to fall. The ceiling fell on Mr. Cobb, but before he died, he said, "It's an asteroid. Get out of here." Then he died. We all ran over to Mr. Watson's room to see if he was still alive. We got over there and he was still alive. He told us to come in and stay close together. He looked out the window, saw all the trees and plants dead. He shut the blinds and told us not to look outside, that an asteroid hit and there was an ecosystem collapse because of the heat the asteroid caused. Mr. Watson told everyone, most of the people in the world are probably dead. Then he warned, the food supply is going to run short because of the ecosystem collapse.
The day got worse in an hour, and an hour and a half later, a giant solar flare hit the Earth right next to where the asteroid hit. Mr. Watson then looked outside to see a giant solar flare. He shut the blinds again and said, "How could this day get any worse? A giant solar flare just hit us." Somebody asked, "Does this mean we're going to die?" "No, this just means the food supply just got even lower," Mr. Watson said. Another student asked, "What does a giant solar flare do?" "A solar flare is a situation where an ecosystem suffers dramatically. For all organisms, often result in most action." So basically, we are going to run low on organisms, then run low on our food, because our food we ate the organisms. So our food runs out and we die too eventually. Everybody got afraid. One kid had a brilliant idea to get a bunch of people together and to find two of each animal, one female, one male. They would find them. They found ones that were still alive and kept them alive for the animals to eat. Mr. Watson and the kids decided it was up to them to save the world and bring it back how it was before.